Hi guys, I am Achal Sen and today I am here to tell you how to install Java in Windows operating system. So first of all we have to go to Google and we have to search Java download for Windows system. So here I'm doing this and you can follow the steps what I'm doing. So now we are seeing that they have given lot of many links. So we have to choose oracle.com because this is the official site to download Java. So I'm going by this link and you should also follow the same. Now we came here oracle.com. So here is the Java SE downloads. So you have to click on this. So first click on this, then they will give you something. Yes, so here we have many Java setup. If you want to install Java 16, you have to go by this link, and if you want to install some other version of Java, so you can go down and you can check which version you want to install in your system. So I have already Java 8 and Java 12, so I want to install in this time Java 16 in my system. So I will click on this link and they will ask some ID password. If I haven't logged in till now, if you have already account in oracle.com, so no need to create account, and if you don't have, so you have to create account for Java. So I have my account, so that's why they are not asking for ID and password. So you have to click in this link because I have 64-bit system, so I will go with this, and whatever your system specification you can follow that link. Okay, so here you have to accept agreement and license something of Oracle. So you just click on this link, download JDK 16.0.1 Windows. So click on this and we will get some setup to install in our system. Yeah, so now it is downloading in our system. So after downloading, I will show you how to install in our system. Okay, so you have to wait for 1 minute and then we will see. Now after downloading, it came to download folder. So here in my system it came, so I will click double link on this setup and then it will start downloading. Okay, so click on double link on JDK 16 setup and we will see what is going next. Some time, it will take some time to prepare for installation, so you wait for that. Okay, I'm here, I'm just doing. Yes, now it has prepared the system for download for installation. So so now you have to click on link on next button. Okay, so after clicking next, they will ask some yes, they will give you the location where you want to install your Java setup. So if you want to change your location, you should click on change, and you can give here location where you want to go. So you have to follow these. If you want to install in E drive or D drive, you can click here, and if you want to install in C, so it is already giving the C drive path, so no need to change. So I'm not changing. So we have to back from here. You no need to click here. You just click in OK. Okay, so yes, so now you have to click next. After that, this system will start installing the software, so you have to wait till that. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. During installation, you should wait. You no need to click in this box. It is copying some files like Java packages or installations where the system will install, and the package of Java and API. It will copy all the system libraries in your system. Now it has installed, so you have to click in close button. After clicking on close button, if you want to check your Java has installed in your system or not, so you have to go to C drive and you have to check is your Java has installed or not. So follow the same what I am doing, After going to C drive, you have to click on program files. After that, you will get a Java folder in your C drive folder. So now here you can see this JDK16 folder has came in your C drive. Okay, so it means your Java has successfully installed in your system. After this installation, I will give you the environment setting variable, how to set environment variable for Java. So follow the process what I will give you. Okay, and in next video how I will give you how to set environment variable for Java. And thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe with your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching.